Hey foodies, we're here today at 572 King Street North in Waterloo, near Conestoga Mall at Holy Shakes. So the reason we are here today is for the best kind of sweetie treaty. This is a shake, but much more than a shake. You can choose what you put in it. You can choose to put things on top. They have cake. They use Cheesecake Factory cakes. This is an incredible spot if you are looking for something very fancy as a dessert to treat yourself. This is an amazing treat. Let's go check it out. Hey foodies! Okay, so here we are with our shakes. We got two regular shakes, so a tiramisu, red velvet cake, which is a little piece of cake on top. Is actually really cute. And then I didn't mess around. I got the fudge brownie with a full piece of cheesecake with it. So this is so much more than just a dessert for one person. If you got one with a piece of cake on top, you can definitely share this with someone else. It's got a full piece of cake, a really good shake. It's ooey gooey, like look at it. I cannot wait to dig into this. Holy Shakes is such a fun place to go.